Ruto otelo nyasi mar yango gedo mar udi ma nengo gi yot e kar dak ma Kibera. Jatend piny dhi yango tielo mar ariyo mar gedo go. Ramogi osebedo kaluwo lipodno kendo gi sani odani mondo owinjane gima jatend piny William Ruto wacho eka bang'e burtudre kod bang'e koponi en gima thoth monyalo nyisowa kata kopogore gi mano bendo nyalo miwa weche mamoko manyien e weche mamoko mabiro.
Who are the local funders for our developers, and as Anastasia comes over, I'd like to recognize the presence of members of the State Department for Housing. You can stand up and we recognize you. Thank you very much. And also there are PSs that have joined us here today. PS Koimet. Where is she? Okay, there's PS Koimet. And I have got my fellow PS Mwakima and PS Muraguri. Thank you very much. Anastasia, karibu.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, the Governor of Nairobi County, Sakacha, all the elected leaders to the national and the county government, the CS and the press and the PSS here, and all the invited guests. As KCB, it's a great honor to be here this afternoon, Your Excellency, to demonstrate our commitment and partnership in ensuring that the agenda of housing, as promised in Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, is realized and achieved within the next 5 years. KCB has been a catalyst in driving and pushing the affordable housing agenda through provision of mortgage, hence controlling over 50% of the mortgage industry in our country. Your Excellency, the call is to enable us finance affordable housing. And our presence this afternoon is our commitment, and especially by financing our customer index to be able to build these houses. And we will continue together in ensuring that we finance the like-minded investors, and not only end there, Your Excellency. Through the KCB Foundation to Jiajiri platform, we also commit to train especially the people from this locality so that they can get access to employment. Your Excellency, we have submitted various papers to be able to finance the upcoming housing project, specifically Nakuru Mixed Development, 100 Housing Unit, Meru Housing Phase 1, Kisumu Kanyakwar Phase 3, Changamo Development Phase 1, Kirinyanga County Housing Project, 100 Housing, Muranga Housing, Kiambu Housing, Laikipia. And Your Excellency will keep on submitting our papers for the financing of the upcoming projects. Finally, Your Excellency, is our commitment that we'll work with the National Treasury to make sure under the financial agenda for this country, especially funding and financing the bottom of the pyramid, is realized and achieved. Thank you so much, and we wish you success.
Thank you very much, Madam Kimtai. Your Excellency.